Hello, everybody. My name is Jim, and I want to spend a couple minutes talking to you about the debate we're going to have here on the extension of the 2017 tax cuts. And I want to let you know, as a conservative Republican, you listening Democrats, I'm completely opposed to this. It doesn't do enough for the ordinary person. There's 120 million people in this country who make less than $120,000 a year. Only 2.5% of them make tips. Everybody needs tax relief. We need to reduce their cost of living so we can increase their disposable income without raising their wages, so we kill cost push inflation from a wage perspective in its tracks. The best way to do that is eliminate their taxes. So 120,000 tax free. Is that okay with you folks? Take the 15.3% of every dollar you make in addition to that you pay on Social Security and Medicare taxes, you and your employer, put that in your own tax-free equivalent Roth IRA for 50 years of your working career. Go from working poor to retired wealthy. Live the American dream. Share in the growth and prosperity of the country. You won't need Social Security or Medicare or any other federal, state, or local services. Will reduce the cost of government. You'll live the kind of life you want. And when you die, if you still like those kids of yours, you can pass the money down generationally. We'll break that cycle of poverty for everybody. Number three, Mr. President, your plan doesn't do anything to reduce the national debt. $36 trillion. We had $10 trillion in 2009. This is absurd. We need to start working on this balance sheet. Get that number down. Doge, best case, reduces the deficit by $1 trillion. We had $4 trillion more of debt over the next 4 years. Why don't we try reducing the debt over the course of the next 8 years to $30 trillion? We have a plan for doing that. It's in there. Take a look. Fourth thing, if we allow you to take the $15 trillion that you're now giving to me for Social Security and you invest and you create $135 trillion of wealth over the next 20 years, you don't need $100 trillion from your kids. Now they're saving and investing their own money. And if I take that $50 trillion from the people at the top, the people who have $100 trillion worth of wealth, we don't got to pay them back. We just wiped out $100 trillion of debt by doing what? Changing the funding source for my Social Security and letting you save and invest your own money. Mr. President, that's what we need to be talking about in this country. Please, take a look. People, contact the president, contact your two senators, contact your congressman. Tell them we want to have this debate. I'm Jim. Thanks.